Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of REM Bus. I'm Kaz, your host, and as always, I got Callum with me. Hey Callum, how are you? Welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you, no problem. Say guys, what's happening in the Bitcoin world and the crypto world, and everyone's talking a lot of stuff. So as always, we're here to bring you facts and not the graphs, and graph doesn't lie. Don't lie. If you ask Callum, he will say that graph never lied. So, guys, Bitcoin is pumped up last few weeks, so that's a good thing. People still now again, people talking about the altcoin season can come up the way things going. Everyone's very positive, which is a good sign for us, right? Callum will agree with that. And still, a bullish people who feel bullish, according to Coin Market Cap, is in mid 90s. So that's a really good sign still. So Bitcoin went up as we know, went over 70 grand, which is a good thing. So let's go and talk to Callum now. What's that little bump actually happened to the rest of the coins, and what happened to specifically for REM and the RW projects? Callum, over to you. What's happening?
Thank you very much, Kaz. Thanks for that lovely introduction because that's what the reality is actually, guys.
Yeah.
Now, you all seen, as Kaz mentioned, how Bitcoin going up, right? That was an amazing thing at this point. We really need that. Now, I would show you all the charts and everything. Guys, we have to be very medium thinking, right? Very mediate on very holistically looking at things and as well. You need to understand that, whatever happens, we're ready for it. If it goes up, we'll sell. If it goes down, we'll buy. Either way, we should be winners, right? We shouldn't be thinking, oh, this is the end of the world. Now that's the problem we people got. People got like, oh, it goes up, can we get more? Let's cash out something if it goes up, right? We don't want to fall into the same trap again, right? So if it goes down, we'll purchase. Very simple. Now, guys, I know different lifestyles, different life conditions may impact because of this economical climate and all these things. If that impacts you, we have to take a decision. You take the decision. But always remember, next bus is in 15 minutes. One of my gurus told me that, which is true. Which is true, guys. There's always opportunities in the market, and you need to grab that opportunity. All right. And we always need to think something good from anything that comes up for us, right? People are very negative. People look at the real estate market negatively. People look at the share market negatively. People look at the crypto market negatively. Even, I don't know, stepping into the moon can be someone's issue as well.
Mm.
But I'm saying, look, regardless, let's look at the bright side of things. If you can check something bright, something good about something, rather than speculating it, let's get the good thing out of it rather than looking at the bad picture about it. So people tend to look at all the worst scenarios. Let's look at the bright scenarios. Goes down, we're winners. Goes up, we're winners. Now we're happy, right? Then we can have a solid mindset to work on our issues and get things rolling on board. I would like to say something as well, guys. As the CEO of REM, I want to just let you know that we would like to emphasize what we're doing as well behind the scenes. Not just about the charts, but you need to know about the project. And we would like to get more about the project as we go on, right? And that's something specifically we intend to do in the future as well, right? Just keeping you posted that. Let's go to the charts, guys. I'm going to share my screen now. Now, I hope you can see the screen. So, Kaz, you can see the screen, right?
Yes, I can.
Beautiful. Now, guys, you can see here, this is what Kaz was talking about. You can see over here in a snapshot, how the crypto market in Bitcoin specifically went up. What we're looking at, guys, because we're now focused more into Ethereum. Why? Because we're looking at altcoin season, guys. We did have a good peak on Bitcoin, happy days. If it can go more up, beautiful. But, it's a long-term strategy. Bitcoin is, if Ethereum goes up, guys, we're looking at a potential altcoin season, and that's what we want. We haven't had the altcoin season this cycle. We are waiting for the altcoin season to happen. If Ethereum pushes up, we got a good scenario coming up. So look, everything down the bottom, guys, had a little bit of spike because of this scenario. And you know what? Nothing less. REM did the same thing as well. I just want to go to the REM charts, guys. You can see REM. This is the daily chart. Look at the 4-hourly chart. And you can see that this is exactly what I was talking about, thinking. Yeah, by the way, you can buy REM at USDT, REM USDT. Chart is here at MEXC exchange. Guys, this is the thing. Remember how we were saying this is a great opportunity to purchase, right? You can see the RSI was down here and it's a buying opportunity. Look what happened, guys. If you bought up here, you have made some money out of here now, right? We did mention this drop slowly but steadily REM would go up, and that's what we see here. we can see REM is going up. So guys, even now, if you go to the daily chart, this is not a bad point to purchase, even though you see that upwards trend. There's some disturbance here, guys, but you saw it before as well. Look, it is a good time to purchase given this what happened here, right? So you can double up the amount when it goes up here, almost doubling up. You put 2,000, it's 4,000. You put 5,000, it's $10,000. Because it's a micro cap, it always goes, very fast as well. And then you have a lot of projects would go down, guys, in this sort of a scenario. But REM teams here, REM as a microcap doing really well. It's an RWA project, real estate metaverse, guys. Look at MEXC. Okay, now going back to the BTC charts, guys. Excuse me. I want to take this to this chart at MEXC, which we have that BTC USDT chart, guys. Look what's happening. Do you see this? If you saw what happened in these scenarios over here, this is the 2014 chart. If we go a little bit more, let's go to 2018, 2022, 2023 charts. Look at this. When this crossed, guys, there was a bit of an upwards trend over here, right? Now, if this were to follow this same scenario, look at this, guys. This may be the case that this goes up a bit and then shows an indicator and then goes down as well. So this is still not the time to say, yay, we made it, right? Because I don't want you to be really happy and it's gone up and all these things. This is the Bitcoin chart, guys. This is not an altcoin thing. This is just Bitcoin, because now we can see a very big differentiation from not like other times. The BTC USDT, you can see over here, right? You can see over here the Bitcoin chart. Let's go a little bit bigger, and you can see if this goes up, that's okay, but still it can go down all the way here, right? Test it here and go up. If it goes up, crosses this line, you see over here, you know how it crossed? You see how this pink line crossed and blue line went up? Then we see a bigger pump here. As soon as this crosses up, pink line goes down, blue line goes up. Beautiful, look, it goes up. So if that happens, guys, we're looking around $150 to $200 Bitcoin, right? If that happens, and then it can go down. But as the charts, if history repeats, this should pump up a little bit out here and go down. But this is not relevant at this stage, this Bitcoin chart, to the altcoin season. Why? Let me show you why. This is the fear and greed index. Now, it's neutral, guys. It hasn't been neutral for the last month and for the last whole few months. You remember, if we check even up here, the fear and greed index was right up here. We never seen it going up to 50s unless it was 2025, somewhere here, right? 26, 2025, December sort of thing. Now we can see the trend going up again, even green here. Look at this. It became green. It went to 56 or 57 on the 18th, 2 days ago, right? Last week, the average is neutral to 54. Guys, if it goes all the way here and then green, that means the greed is high. That means the crypto market itself is pumping up, regardless of Bitcoin, guys. If we check the Bitcoin dominance, because Bitcoin went up, I think Bitcoin dominance has gone up. Look at this. Bitcoin dominance has gone to 59.3, right? 59.4 yesterday, 59. So 58, whatever happened here, now it's crossing that 59 point to 60 sort of thing, which is really good. If you check the Bitcoin dominance here, guys, it went to 63 as well on the 2025. But if we check these simple days over here, let's go to the 30-day chart. You can see it went to 59 sort of a thing, and then or right over here 59.4, 59.2. So so just showing that cycle over here. Let's go to the altcoin season index, guys. Altcoin season index is not showing the exact what we want to see, but remember, if Bitcoin goes up, that will push altcoins. At this stage, even though you can't see it, I'm really positive in seeing this sort of a scenario. If Bitcoin pushes to say 89, 90, more than 70, say put 80, 89, 90, we would see some beautiful movement in altcoins here, and it may even push to an altcoin season. Very short, but altcoin season. And you can cash it out. And that's why you need to, guys, subscribe us and press that notification button, because you need to get this notification on time. We will support you, not just to our REM community, but anyone who would listen to us. We want you to leverage, because we're very open up to those things. We look in the industry and everything as well. So, guys, be positive. Let's be positive. I think Kaz is right in this specific scenario. He just brings up the latest market indicators, and you know what? I think Kaz is right. If we see something good over here in the Bitcoin charts, and if the Bitcoin dominance goes up, say somewhere around say 60s, 70s, so you see yearly high would be 65. Look at this, right? If it goes to around this time, we would see an altcoin season happening, and it doesn't have to be something about this chart, nothing to do with this chart, because we have gone through this, guys, till 2018, 19, 20, 22. We have seen somewhere altcoin season. We haven't seen that here. That means this is a different cycle. We need to respect it. We need to respect the cycle as it is. So, guys, I should say in this specific scenario, let's be positive. We don't know what's going to happen. Charts would indicate as Kaz said.
Yeah.
Exactly. I agree with that. But bear in mind, guys, altcoin season can be something that we never expect. It's not something that we have experienced before and we won't experience again the same way. It may be a short Bitcoin pump that will lead to Ethereum to go up, and then altcoin season all of a sudden there. But the beauty of it now is a lot of projects, a lot of fussy, fake projects have flushed away. So those microcaps talking about AI, which has nothing to do with AI, and they're just selling something to you, showing some indicators about AI, not a real life project like us. I'm not boasting about us, but it needs to be boasted certain ways, because we firmly believe on genuine products, genuinely working in crypto space. And it's not a fake. It's not a Ponzi scheme. It's an actual project that works with other projects, other ecosystems, and genuinely building something. With our Propertyverse portfolio, if you can go to our website, www.remmeta.ai, you would see we have genuine projects that needs to be addressed. And you go to propertyverse.com, you would see exactly what we do as well. And you can purchase properties from us as well. Yeah. So this is the beauty of having a real world asset. And we're here for a long run, guys. So investing in a project like us is genuinely we're there. We're there in MEXC exchange. We didn't go to many exchanges because we are focused on something, and we will go recently. And when we go, guys, your token that you purchased today would go up. When our utilities comes into action, our use cases, utilities comes into action, because we're a utility coin, your utility coin value would go up. And this is what we want to do. We want to build a firm, steady ecosystem, guys. And I'll give back to Kaz, but that's from me to you, right? And we will keep on updating you on that.
Callum, there you go, guys. There's a lot of information for you guys. So obviously do your due diligence on these ones. This is advice only from us, but these advice are from years of experience of seeing the market, doing the right thing, doing a project. Doing a crypto project is not easy. Doing a project, seeing all the market indicators and fluctuations, and we just give you these advice. So guys, all the best for everyone. Get some REM, rake it up some. Also subscribe to our socials, press like, follow, and let us know what you guys want us to talk about, and we will bring that back to you guys. So guys, let's hope a really good pump with this Bitcoin, and hope this is going to stay stable, and everyone still going to feel bullish in the next few days or few weeks to come. That's it from us, guys. REM, see you guys again. See ya.